Superconductivity transforms the relationship between society and carbon neutrality in the mobility sector. Let's take a brief look at the Toshiba superconducting motor technology revolutionizing the airline and transportation industries. The world is shifting from fossil to green fuels in an effort to achieve carbon neutrality. This also means changing every type of power source. Numerous domains have begun adopting new technologies to foster this shift. The airline industry must significantly reduce the total CO2 emissions from aircrafts, which continue to rise. The airline industry is adopting Sustainable Aviation Fuel, or SAF, as the green fuel for aircrafts to reduce airline emissions. However, further reduction of CO2 emissions to achieve net zero emissions by 2050 necessitates the adoption of hydrogen fuels and new electric power sources. SAF and hydrogen will become standard fuels in the airline industry, aiming to achieve carbon neutrality. Aircrafts will transition from engine to electric motor drives. These electric motors must pack unheard-of power, yet be lighter than ever before. An electric motor able to satisfy both of these requirements will contribute immensely to carbon neutrality in the airline industry. Toshiba is utilizing its manufacturing technologies for high-speed rotary machines, as well as its superconducting technologies cultivated over many years to achieve the ideal motor. We have amassed design and manufacturing technologies for large power plant turbine generators for more than 90 years since 1927. At the same time, we have been accumulating design and manufacturing technologies for superconductive products for more than 60 years since the 1960s. By integrating these high-speed rotary machine and superconducting technologies, Toshiba succeeded in a superconducting motor revolutionizing the electric motor. This new superconducting motor leverages all of our hard-earned expertise in superconducting and rotary machine technologies. Our superconducting motor is super compact. Our superconducting motor is super light. Our superconducting motor has a 2 megawatt class output. Moreover, a prototype of this mechanism has already entered the proof of concept phase, which is a major step toward realizing a revolutionary electric motor. Motor innovation is an extremely difficult challenge, but a project which will open possibilities for a new generation in motors. Extremely skilled technicians have built a prototype that satisfies the required specifications. Realizing the necessary new technology involves a lot of trial and error. Toshiba has completed a prototype of superconducting motor that has not only high output power, but also high speed. Airlines are only the first sector in the mobility industry that this project is taking on toward carbon neutrality. Toshiba wants to take advantage of these refined technologies. Why not join us on this journey? Toshiba, committed to people, committed to the future.